Hi, my name is Shachar Gafni and I'm the CEO of Modix. I would like to congratulate 3D Smart Solutions for joining Modix as a reseller for Vietnam and beyond. We have selected 3D Smart Solutions because of their expertise in 3D printing and especially their technical capabilities to provide local assembly support for the local market. We are welcoming and thank you and good luck for this cooperation, and we look for a long-term cooperation and grow it more and more. In this opportunity, I would like to present a new line of printers we are now presenting to the market. It's the second line of printers of Modix, which is based on pellet printing. Pellet is different than filament with the advantages and also limitations. You can make very big parts with lower cost per kilo, very fast, but it's less detailed as with filament. And therefore, this Mama machine behind me, this is the new 1700 machine. It is 1.7 meter on 1-on-1 XYZ. It is equipped with a pellet printer and a filament printer printhead as well. This will allow a higher versatility to print big objects, bulky objects, as well as very detailed if needed. In the future, we will provide more technologies and capabilities like IDEX to print with multi-material. And we will continue to introduce more and more innovative technologies to this line of printers. Let me show you a few print samples. So with this printer you can print in just a few hours this very big letter for the signage industry in one piece, made of plastic with a cost of just a few dollars per kilo. This printer with pellet can be also used for decoration and items like furniture or other fine goods for the furniture industry. You can combine different colors, as you saw. In this case, white and black, because you have the flexibility to choose your own color when you buy a virgin pellet and the colorant, what they call master batch. So there's a lot of opportunities in this industry, making, for example, goods made of local waste, recycled plastic, made locally anywhere around the world. Thank you so much, and I wish you good luck for 3D Smart Solutions.